Thermokinesis is the psychokinetic ability to manipulate the atmospheric temperature, that is the temperature around you and others, hence the word atmospheric. Thermokinesis is a very distinct ability to work with. Some of what you can do with thermokinesis include the ability to accelerate the molecules in an object to cause the object to become hot. This can be used to heat things up or make them hotter, like a bowl of soup for instance. This can also be used to replace the workings of a toaster, waffle maker, etc. That is, if you are practiced and skilled enough with this ability. Thermokinesis is the ability to decelerate the molecules in an object to cause the object to become cold. This can be used to freeze things or make them colder, like a hot cup of tea, a hot cup of cocoa, etc. That is, if you are practiced and skilled enough with this ability. Thermokinesis is the ability to manipulate the temperature of the air around you, as I mentioned before, aka the atmospheric temperature. This is commonly mistaken for the ability to control weather, aka atmokinesis. This in fact not at all like atmokinesis. You are only manipulating the temperature around you. Whereas, atmokinesis is where you are manipulating the weather around you, causing feats like hurricanes, rain, snow, sunshine, etc. Thermokinesis is the ability to manipulate body temperatures. This is used mostly to lower the temperature of one's body when they are sick and their body temperature is flaring out of control, or a similar reason, but this ability is pretty straightforward and can be used also to heat or make cold one's body for their own reasons. But this ability is probably the most prone to go wrong. Thermokinesis is rare in psychics with thermokinesis and only shows in very few thermokinetics. The rare ability to resist temperature extremes, as well as freezing, burning, atmokinesis or the like,